All right, welcome to the AquaDome here on deck 15F. And this is multi-purpose venue. Absolutely love this venue. So we're gonna go left and make a complete circle all the way around, because you can either go to the left or you can go over to the right. So let's make a complete circle and let's get started. So as you enter, you will see this beautiful arena, I call it, where the aqua shows happen, and it's just spectacular. Down where this gentleman is standing is where the water is, as you can see right there. You have bench seating. These other type of, if you notice right here and then further down, and then you have some right here and then further down over to your right, those are usually reserved for like the star class. If you're in the star class suite, you have preferred or priority seating for the different entertainment venues. So as we continue on, we have Hook Seafood. This is a specialty dining. You could do lunch or dinner. They're in there cleaning, so I don't want to really. I heard this place is a hit. I'm so upset that I did not get a chance to dine in here, but I will hopefully on Star of the Seas. So we're going to continue over to one of the most dopest places. One of the most dopest places, and I'm gonna say dope, but it is beautiful. The ambiance is just everything. This is the Overlook. I just want you all to experience. As we are approaching, we have the Overlook pods. Check out the beautiful area in the Overlook pods. All right, so as we continue, check out this area. Oh my goodness, so beautiful at night. Wow. You have your bar area, Overlook bar area. And there's nothing but ocean views. Really can't see anything at night, but during the daytime, it's just beautiful. Let's continue down. I had to show you this area at night because it's beautiful during the day, but it's really beautiful at night. All right, so you have seating around the bar area. as we continue our tour, we're gonna go up these stairs. They also have restrooms right below here. They have restrooms, as you can see, over in this area down here. So as we come up and wrap around, we have the Ryan Bean. They have coffee here, but they have great, I would say, espresso martini here. Man, check out these. You have some more seating here. Check out these robots right here. Crazy. So we have the AquaDome Market, which has 5 food stations. You have seating out here. You have seating inside the AquaDome area. Basically, it's a food hall concept inside of there. They have toast and garden. They have Mediterranean. They also have a mac and cheese. You have the Asian ginger, and then you also have crepe for your crepes. Then, as you continue on, you have the Royal Bling. Check out some of this. Some of the bling bling, I call it. All right, that's the AquaDome.